Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials: a signed-in Google account, Sheets app on your phone, and a class roster. Open Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Name it clearly. Now add headers across the top: name, date, present, notes. For present, choose a checkbox or a drop-down list so you can tap instead of typing. This saves time when you take attendance. Once done, freeze the header row and enter student names in the name column so the form is ready for session entries. Next, you add interactivity and rules so attendance is reliable. Select the present column and insert checkboxes or apply data validation with present, absent, late as options. This ensures consistent responses. Then set conditional formatting: green for present, red or gray for absent or late, so you can scan the list instantly. Freeze the header row and protect the name column to avoid accidental edits. If you want timestamps, add a date. To finish, set sharing and access so colleagues can view or take attendance too. Give edit rights to trusted assistants and protect ranges, like names, to prevent accidental changes. Use filter views or create a new sheet per date if you prefer separate logs. Filters let you focus on one session quickly. Finally, make a habit of syncing. After a session, refresh the Sheets app so changes upload. If something goes wrong, check your connection, force a sync, and reopen the file to recover recent edits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.